work, and my truck died. Yep. 17 glorious years and no trouble. Ever. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's the alternator, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that, have it shipped overnight, and call a tow truck, because I need to get home. So yeah. Looks like I'll be working on my truck. Got the part FedEx in the morning, so now I gotta figure out how to get it in. I remember at Toyota they suggest drain the radiator, take all your hoses off, and yeah, but I already know it's just a couple 12 and 14 millimeters, so I'll just take that off real quick. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there is the power steering has to get loose. There's 3 bolts, and then you gotta kind of like lift it up to get to the other bolt for the accessories. Well, 4 hours later, I got it in. And I didn't lose a drop of radiator fluid. While I was at it, I changed the battery. And I put on some new straps. So hopefully, new battery, alternator, battery cable is gonna work. Alright, let's go check. So anyway, it took about 4 hours to squeeze out the old alternator and put in the new one. And overall, wasn't too difficult. I mean, if you want to save some money and do it yourself, totally easy to do. I did not drain the radiator or disconnect any of the hoses or anything. I just delicately squeezed it through, and I was able to lift up the power steering high enough to squeeze the new one in, and then the belt slid right back on, and yeah, tightened up the bolts and started it up, and I'm so happy now it's back in business. I can keep going. After breaking down, I've had some time to think about the upkeep and maintenance of my truck. Over the years, I've only done the basic stuff like oil change, brakes, tires, battery, whatever. But after rolling over 100,000 miles, some of the bigger stuff is lining up. But for now, let's go for a test drive.